From DoneRight Management, I'm going to do a quick video tutorial. We are at Reedy, Set, Go, and this is the television that's downstairs next to the kitchen. So this is a Hisense smart enabled television. Takes a little bit of getting used to how to function. This is the home button, and this is the back button. Right up here, you can click this and you end up with the ability to speak and communicate with the TV, searching for what you want. So, as we're going through this, I also want to inform you that we do have a Sony PS2 player, as well as a Sharp DVD Blu-ray player. We have DVDs here on the left and the PS2 games on the right. So when you put in a DVD, this will automatically kick on and you'll start watching it. So you don't have a whole lot of option on that one, the way that it functions. Now, if you did want to go over, up on the top here, you have the input button. You can click that, and when the actual player gets turned on, it'll actually become active as soon as it warms up. So you'll see where it says HDMI 1, and that will be the DVD player. But as soon as you place a DVD in the player, it will automatically start playing. So we can back up, and you have the ability to utilize your account for Netflix, Prime, YouTube, and so forth. So if you have any further questions, you can reach out to us. My name is Joe Hill. Landline number at DoneRight Management's 208-634-0030. Cheers.